Hello! Today we'll learn how to create any polygon in Blender. In Blender we have two types of 2D figures under Mesh option. One is the plane and the other is this circle. If you add a plane you get this square. Also you can change it to get a rectangle. If we delete this plane and add a circle, you can change this circle to any other polygon. We can easily do that from this little operator box. But if you click somewhere else, or if you perform any other operation, this operator box will disappear, but you can go to the edit menu and select adjust last operation. This will let the operator box to come back again. If we enter 4, it changes into a square. If we enter 3, we get a triangle shape. Similarly, if we enter 5, we get a pentagon. And if we enter 6, we get a hexagon. If you add any number in this field, Blender will create a polygon of that many sides. Now to create a star, go to Add Menu, and for Mesh Add Circle, change the number of vertices to 10. Go to the Edit mode. Press A to select everything. Go to Select Menu and go down and select Check or Deselect. Press S and drag the mouse inside to create the star. Then press F to fill the star. To make it 3D star, press E, then extrude in the Z direction. So we reach to the end of a very quick guide to create any type of polygon in Blender.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.